Today I want to show you for the longing machine from Magnifica S. Okay, I'm going to show you when it's need to be descale. Okay, so now first we switch it on. You can see here the blinking red. Okay, we wait until it's ready for coffee brewing. Okay, it's going to heat up the water. So you see the temperature blinking here. Okay, after all is ready, then you can see this blinking is not stop. Okay, it keep blinking. So we wait for it until it finish the startup. Okay, so it's ready. So you can see the green light here. So here it's still blinking, so meaning that it need to discard. Okay, so what we do is we need to get this product. Okay, Eco Chop. Okay, this one used for coffee machine DeLonghi. Okay, you can see here DeLonghi brand. So we need to follow the step needed. Okay, I'm going to show you first about this Eco Chop. Okay, so stay tuned. Okay, now I'm going to unbox the Eco Chop for DeLonghi. Okay, you can see here the brand Eco Chop Mini. Okay, this one is used for my Magnifica S type machine. Okay, so we're going to open the box. Okay, what you got is this chalk. Okay, and the manual. Okay, of course in English. So we can see here very. Okay, this is a top quality ingredient made the chalk high effective and natural lime scale remover. Okay, that's why we need to do the chalk. Okay, or descale. So the instruction is very straightforward and easy. Okay, so first we need to empty the water tank and pour in 100 ml of Eco Chop. Okay, so we need to empty the tank first and then dilute the 100 ml of descale with water. Okay, the quantity is about 1 liter of water. And then we start the descaling cycle as explained in the manual. Okay, so in the manual of Magnifica S, they already stated how to do the descale. Okay, so it's very easy, it's very straightforward. So I'm going to show you this product first. Okay, we're going to open it. Okay, so we are going to use all of this. Okay, one tube. Okay, just pour into the water tank. Okay, so let's do it now. Okay, so this is the water tank. So first we need to remove this filter, put it aside. So because during the descaler we don't need the filter. Okay, so this one need to take out and empty the water tank. Okay. Okay, so next is, as you can see, we have empty the water tank. So we can see here, is it clear? Okay, so clear. So you can see here marked as A, okay, in the water tank, and here marked as B. Okay, the function of this mark is for you to do the descaler for your DeLonghi coffee machine. Okay, you are going to fill in the Eco Chop, this one, until A level. Okay, until A level, and next you need to top up with the fresh water until B level. Okay, it's so easy. So now we're going to fill in the descaler first. Okay, so I'm going to open it up, cut this one. Oops. It's going in. Okay, So pour all until A level. Actually, it's all. This one dedicated for A level. Okay, so don't worry. And then we need to top up until B level. Okay, the fresh water only. Okay, now we have complete the process of filling until the B level. So we put it in the water tank, and then you need to put the container down here. Okay, for down here we need to put the container for the water to come flush out. Okay, now I put it here once for this one. Okay, for this one, and the other one for this one. Okay, so 2 containers. And then press this blinking button for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you see here, it start blinking. Then when it starts blinking, what you need to do is, okay, as you can see here, this steaming but lamp are blinking, and then you can pull this knob. Okay, just turn this knob into one direction. Okay, so turn this into this one direction to this direction. So just, and your machine will start Descale. Okay, you see there the water. Okay, let it finish until the end. Okay, until the water tank is fully empty. So it will take time, so just let it be. It's automatic. Okay, okay, after the it stop flushing. Okay, as you can see here, it has stopped flushing, and this symbol appear. So you need to take out the water tank, close the knob to this position, and you need to fill in until to the maximum water tank with fresh water. Okay, and put it back. Okay, you have put it back, the fresh clean water, and you can see here it's blinking again, and you can start to flushing again for second time. Okay, so turn this knob to this function. Okay, so let flushing again until the water tank empty again. Okay, it's quite splashing here. Okay, it will keep flushing automatically. You don't need to do anything, just wait until the end. Okay, so it's empty again. Okay, we need to refill again until to the max and turn it off. Okay, so the blinking here will be stopped, and we need to fill in the fresh water. Okay, after you fill in the fresh water, and now it start to blinking again, and you need to flush one more again. Okay, so let it finish until the end. Okay, so after you refill for the second time water, so the machine is ready to use, and no more blinking here. Okay, So no more blinking. So meaning that your DeLonghi Magnifica S already descale, okay, and ready to use. So you can check again by push this button, and you can see the fresh water coming in. So you see, very clean water. Okay, so your machine is ready to use, and no more warning. Okay, we have done all the process. So as you can see, it's really easy for you to descale your coffee machine for DeLonghi. So make sure you use the genuine product, okay, for descaler, to make sure the safety, the goodness for your coffee machine. Okay, so video for today. Hope you enjoy and learn something good. Okay, thank you. Bye.